make things that they personally think are really awesome, because then other people will think they're awesome too. I think people ask too much advice from other people, like, oh, do you like my t-shirt design? Do you like my t-shirt design? Do you think you should do this t-shirt design? And then everybody's asking everybody else, do you like my t-shirt? And then everybody ends up the same. So there's this example earlier in the book about this guy, Jesse Schell, who wrote this game design textbook. He said that's exactly what happens in juggling. In juggling, everybody's looking how to juggle like all the other jugglers. That's how you learn. You look at other jugglers. But there's this one juggler who refuses to learn to juggle from other jugglers. He goes to the ballet. He goes to look at swans. He looks at machines. And so he gets whole new ideas. And apparently this guy is just totally different to all the other jugglers. He's got this amazing style.
Yeah.
And the young Jesse was just completely just wrapped with this one other juggler. And his line is, don't look at what everyone else is doing, look somewhere else. So I think everybody has to jump outside of their silo and learn, and then that's how innovation happens. That's how new things happen. Stop asking people what they think all the time. Just do what you think is awesome.
Yes.
Just go where your inspiration is.